We are here at our Disney Vacation Club cabin at Disney's Fort Wilderness. These are the newest cabins. Let's go inside and check it out. So you can get in with your MagicBand or you can use the app on your phone. Alright, so you walk in here. These are, if you've stayed at the old cabins, you'll see that these are definitely different, upgraded. There's a lot of upgrades. It doesn't look like the old rustic cabins. At first I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, but I kind of do like it a lot actually. So you walk in, the kitchen's right here, you have the living room. You have all new appliances obviously. We have some bacon ready. So if you guys are hungry, just come on over. But one upgrade, I don't know if you've stayed in the old cabins or not, but one upgrade that people might not notice is this one actually has a garbage disposal. At the old ones, you would always get food stuck in the sink, and that would not be fun obviously, but this one has big glass doors, glass windows up top, a slanted roof. This has this Murphy bed, which pulls down. Alright, so real quick, I wanted to show you guys this Murphy bed. So I took off the cushions and the pillows. The cool thing is, you don't need to move this couch. Just keep the couch there. Pull it down. Obviously I could do that with one hand and voila. You have your bed there. And there's even a little mural picture inside as well. It's pretty cool. Just like the old cabins, these come equipped with silverware. They have some pots and pans under here. There's some stuff here. Some more pans there. You got dishes up here. Glasses. There's a toaster that comes with it. Measuring cup. So it comes pretty well equipped. This is a new upgraded coffee machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thanks. You walk in, and we have stayed here at night, so please pardon the mess. Oh yes, there's also these, looks like smart thermostats. We have this awesome bunk bed with the mural on the wall over there. You have this, I believe it's a queen size, might be a king, I'm not sure. There's plenty of storage, plenty of space, and there's actually some drawers under there that slide out as well. These windows, you can, got the old school windows that you, oh, I guess I need to unlock it. You can open them by cranking them pretty far open like that, so it's pretty cool. Look how big that is. And this also opens, we just haven't. Looks like there's a mini split here for this thermostat. There's two thermostats. The other one's right here, which controls this whole room. And you come over here. Looks like you have your wireless area there. You have a small little vanity. Look at the design of this. Meant to look like a tree ring. Another window up there, so there's a lot of natural light. Here's the bathroom, which is pretty spacious. Again with the window. In here you have a vacuum. They give you a vacuum, a brush, or a broom. A dustpan. There's a laundry basket back there, which actually folds up. Comes with a hair dryer up there. But one thing that's really cool, if you have little kids, this pulls out for a step stool. So you have a step stool there. You can use it if they're being potty trained. And then you have, there's plenty of a towel racks there for you. Some more over here, so you'll never run out of areas to dry your towels. So it's a big spacious shower. Now the water pressure is just as bad as the old cabins, but it's upgraded. So I guess that's good, right? Oh yeah, and I've seen these at quite a few places. If you guys know what that is, please comment in the section below. I'm not sure what that is. I'm sure it's something simple. I just have no clue. It looks like a bellhop bell or something. They have the vents up there. So that is the tour of the cabin. Hope you guys enjoyed.